want you guys to take a look at the new Resideo PROA7PLUS series panel, 7-inch touchscreen. It's pretty cool. We can arm this thing up, touch the button. We do an arm away. We'll do an arm home because we're here.
Armed stay.
Pretty nice. Up to date. Cancel that alarm. Type our code in there.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Even works with the Total Connect on your phone app, so you don't have to be home to use this. We can do an arm. Let's say if you leave the house and you forget to arm it, you can do an arm away.
Armed away. Exit now. Disarmed, ready to arm.
All from your app. Then we also installed a Skybell doorbell system tied into this, so we can see the front doorbell too. There's our live stream. You hit this button if we need to talk to somebody out front. It's pretty cool. And we'll stop that right there. All right, that's it from Smart Shield Security.